Hi everyone, I'm Akriti and welcome back to my channel. In this video is extremely important to me because it contains a little bit of story time about a thing that happened with me, which was kind of like a big thing in my life and how it impacted my life. So, here's what happened. So, approximately 2 weeks ago, or maybe a little less or more than that, मैं एक बार अपने ना अकाउंट से रील स्क्रॉल कर रही थी ऑन अ रैंडम डे, इट वाज अ वेरी रैंडम डे। ठीक है, मैं अपने इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट से रील स्क्रॉल कर रही थी। ठीक है, आई वाज डूम स्क्रॉलिंग एंड देयर वाज अ पर्टिकुलर रील एंड आई वांटेड टू चेक द कमेंट सेक्शन ऑफ इट। तो मैंने चेक करा एंड यू नो व्हाट हैपेंड। I was taken to a page which said that your Instagram account has been deactivated because actually no, your Instagram account has been locked because some suspicious activity has been detected on it. I was like, what? What suspicious activity? Because I did not do anything. I mean, I swear, guys, I barely post anything. I never comment on any reel or any post. The only thing I do is I like or save or share reels and stuff and stories. I don't know what happened, but the worst thing was then there was like appeal thing. That appeal, like they were detecting your face and they asked for your ID. I did that. They were like download your information and then log out. We'll come back to you in 20 to 48 hours. 24 to 48 hours. I was like, okay, fine. Then I switched to other accounts. All my accounts were deactivated. All my accounts were logged. I was in such a shock because those accounts have been like I have been using Instagram for like 5 years now. Yeah, 5 years now, even a little more than 5 years now. And like I didn't have like a very big following. I know it was not a very big following, but I had all the memories. I had all the pictures, everything there. I had saved so many reels because I wanted to go back to them, and how will I now? I mean, I was so shocked. I was so devastated, and I mean, and I appealed to all of the accounts, and then they were like, then I thought I can't do anything else but wait. That was the only option. They didn't even tell me why they deactivated, why they removed my account. And I was like, okay. And all my friends texted me, your Instagram account isn't there. Kahan gaya Instagram? Deactivate kar. I was like, no, I didn't do anything. Instagram decided to be stupid, decided to be, you know what? And it removed my account. Then I waited for 28 hours and then I checked my mail. It was like that we couldn't accept your photo ID, re upload your photo ID. I was like, fine, I uploaded my photo ID. What else could I do? I uploaded my photo ID because I wanted to wait a little before, if in case I had to make a new account. But I was really hoping I got back my accounts, okay, my profiles. So I waited, I appealed, and you know what message I get? A heartbreaking message. It said that I have to be dramatic at this. I mean, I earned to be dramatic at this for this. So yeah. In the mail said that you will no longer have the access to your account. Your account is removed, and like you can never get your account back. You are not allowed to appeal more for that. And I was like, excuse me. Can somebody tell me what did I do? Instagram has the shittiest things on it. It has the most vulgar things. It has the most offensive things. Just on Instagram, laid out on Instagram randomly. And me, who didn't even do anything, I didn't even do anything, and they deactivated and removed my account. On what basis? Can you literally tell me? Like, the problem is there is no one I can contact with, nobody could help me because up to I can't even appeal. Like, that is the worst thing. And I mean, I was so devastated. My days were empty because honestly, I was a little addicted to Instagram. Like, if I was like standing waiting for something, I used to open my phone. I used to scroll, scroll, scroll. Metro me scroll, scroll, scroll. Class me scroll, scroll. And I was pretty addicted to it. Anyway, so devastated, devastated, devastated. But the thing is, I opened my Pinterest and I started focusing on my YouTube account, and I got a lot of subscribers since then. And yeah, I started focusing on my YouTube account. Growing my YouTube and creating content for that. And I started posting on shorts what I wanted, what I planned to post in Instagram. Okay. So And the thing is, I opened my Pinterest and I was so empty. I was so, very and I got so free that I actually picked out some stuff and actually did stuff. Let me tell you everything that I did in these 2 weeks that I did not do in a whole year. I mean, it's crazy. Let me show you. So the one major change that happened, my concentration increased because the problem is that YouTube Shorts is good, but the algorithm of YouTube Shorts is not as tailored as it was for me on Instagram. I mean, it is not as trained for me yet. So I didn't feel like doom scrolling on YouTube Shorts as I did on for hours on Instagram. So what happened was I started studying, and I started studying better, with better concentration. And I was quite surprised and also not surprised because I was quite addicted to Instagram doom scrolling. Delete हुआ and I was like, अब क्या करूँ मैं? Because what do I scroll now? So I started studying. And you know what? It is working better for me. And yeah, it is working really great for me. So I am actually studying now instead of just studying for 2 minutes and scrolling Instagram for like 10 minutes. The next thing that happened, I was always creative. I always liked creative things. Doesn't mean I'm good at it, but I was always creative. But the problem is that it had been ages since I actually picked up my brush and painted something. So this was like a new sketchbook that I bought a while ago. Actually, my sister bought it for me. Love her. So yeah, I bought it a while ago and I thought I would use it for watercolors, practicing and making, but I never used it. It had been lying in my cupboard, dust, just on it, new, and I never used it. But one day I was like, damn it, let me just open my Pinterest. I saw the first painting that I saw, and I know it is not a good painting, but yeah, I decided to draw this. I mean, it's not that good. Yeah, it is not even that good. I mean, it's really random, really simple, really but good. And another thing I made was this very pretty cake. And this is something I'm proud of. So the thing is, this cake is basically a cut off. Why? Because I painted it on a plain paper and I tried to draw grass on the corners, on the borders, but grass didn't work well. So I had to cut it off and I got creative. I painted this background, this Pinteresty background. And yeah, this is the cake. I mean, pretty good, right? I tried to draw this trinket dish. I mean, it was for a friend. I tried to draw it because like she's a really good friend of mine and I try to draw it. She is obsessed with cats. I tried to draw it for her, but I mean, as you can see, it is very imperfect. It is not that good. Maybe I can blame my big ass nails for that. Maybe I can't. Maybe it's just a skill issue. But yeah, so I didn't paint it further. But yeah, the thing is, the most important thing is at least I tried. My drawer has two big boxes of oil pastels, new. I mean, not new, but new but opened, lying in my drawer, in my art drawer. Yeah, I have a specific art drawer. Really cool, right? Yeah, so anyway, and I always wanted to try oil pastels, and every time I tried oil pastels, I had the worst experience. But then I saw a tutorial, step by step tutorial, and I tried to draw this onion. And I know it's not perfect, but it is at least something. At least my efforts didn't go to waste on this one. At least the page did not go to waste on this one. And then I also tried another thing. It is supposed to be jalapenos, but it's not that good. But it's better than sitting idle. It's better than doom scrolling. The most important thing is I did stuff in these 2 weeks. I'm a Scorpio, and I had this very cool idea bought at a college fest. Yeah. So I have this very cool idea, and I thought I would use it for, yeah, journaling. So I hadn't journaled since like July. And after that, Autumn, I finally did this. I finally made something in Autumn, and you know what? It's pretty cool. I mean, I used the new stickers that I bought, and I love using stickers. But also, I found a quote. I painted this myself in my whole journal. I haven't painted anything myself. This is freehand. This is on my own, and I know it is a little rough. It is very weird, but at least I did something. Next, yeah, I know there are a lot of things I did, and the next very important thing I did is painting this very pretty mirror ball. I mean, look at it. Look at it. Love it. Again, I had this canvas lying. I was draw something, and I thought mirror ball because, of course, you all know what mirror ball means. The next thing, the amazing thing, the very important thing that I did, my friend gave me commission for making something. Yeah, that was my first commission work. I was so excited. I worked on it with such confidence, and you know what? It turned out great. So my friend asked me to paint a clear phone case, a white cover, with the Radiohead theme, and it took a lot of time, but the effort was worth it. Look at this. I mean, I really love this. Really, all this work. The good thing is that all the work that I did, so much work that I did, was worth it because I did so many things. Like I just showed it in front of you. I did so many things, good or not. I don't care whether it turned good or not, but I did it. And you know what? Why? Because I didn't have Instagram. This is how Instagram changed my life. And also, मैं जो भी वीडियो बनाती थी यूट्यूब के लिए, I edited it on the same day because I didn't care about doom scrolling. And that was the best part, yeah. I mean, I know I don't have Instagram, and the only thing I miss about Instagram is being connected with my friends. I know I meet my friends in college every day. I know, but sending reels, liking reels, seeing what our friends liked, like it was like an update. It was like connection, a different level connection to the friends with the friends. That is the only thing I miss. But the good thing is, I do not need to miss reels. I do not miss the time that I wasted on Instagram because I love everything that I did in these 2 weeks. Everything, every bit of creativity that I actually executed was something that I loved. Something. I also made another account. I made another account. It also got deleted. It also got deleted. I mean, why? Why? But anyway, the good thing is my phone addiction is off the table. I'm not addicted to my phone. If I'm on anyway scrolling, YouTube or Pinterest, I'm only scrolling for some inspiration and to look about what I might post later